Okay, so today I'm going to show you the essential grid example that you wanted me to build actually. Like I have already showed you that I have built it like here in my website, like you say. Okay, so I'm gonna build it to your website. This is your website, and I have logged in into the WP admin panel. Okay, so to do so, I have installed a supported pop-up plugin that called the WordPress pop-up. This one I just installed. Let me show you in the plugin option so that you know how I did actually. Okay, let's say add new plugin. As I have already added that one, so it will show that it has already installed. Okay, so let me say. Okay, here thunderstorm is running. That is why it's the sound is a little bit. Okay, so this is the plugin I just installed. Pop-up WordPress pop-up. You can see it says already installed, right? Okay, so after installing it, you will see there's the pop-up. I can see already you have another pop-up plugin, but you can use this one as a desktop one actually. Okay, so these are the pop-ups. This will be used as a supporting plugin to do the essential. Okay, essential grid. Okay, so let's say we need to create a we want to create the first example, like if you click on an image cell and text HTML or whatever text will appear like this way. Okay, so we are gonna do this. Let's say we need to build this one. Let's say create new ESS grid. Okay, okay, so let's say we are gonna name this like click image text appear. Okay, good. So as image text, this is the alias. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, that's the source. As we are building it like in our own way, like in custom way, so we will not use post pages or custom post. We're gonna use custom grid edge. Okay, let's say you need to tick on this one, and all this source we don't need at all, so we can just deactivate all of these things. We just don't need it. Okay, so this is the grid item. You can add the grid item here. Okay, let's say we're gonna use image first, right? With the image. Okay, so that anyone click on that image, the text will appear. Okay, so click on this one. Okay, single image. Choose any image. Let me show you again. When you click on this one, this will appear. Okay, now choose image. Let's say we'll add this one. Choose image. Okay, now we don't need any of this field actually, custom meta or whatever. We will use only this post section. To do so, which text you wanna? Oh, okay. In this example, we don't need any kind of text or any kind of things that we want actually. There's all these things you can let us blank. We will use only the post link. It says post link to. That means where it should link to. This is where we will use actually. Okay, so in this box we are gonna put a value that will come from the WordPress pop-up. Okay, let's say we're gonna say for first example. Okay, as we say, let me create another pop-up, like add new. Okay, in this pop-up we're gonna say click image text appear. Okay, this is the box you can put text. So just copy and paste all of these things. Okay, so this is the pop-up plugin that I have already installed, that I showed you that first time. Okay, you can set text, and this is the title for the pop-up, and then you don't need to worry about all of these things. Just here you need to pop-up appearance option. Here you need to trigger action. This one you need to set just like manual triggering. Okay, so this will be manual triggering. This is the only setting you need to set. Okay, so just publish this one. I'll show you one example per category that you wanted to build actually, so that okay, so let's say all pop-up. You see the clicks image test appear. This is the pop-up name that we're gonna integrate this one. Okay, it says click image text appear. This is the pop-up actually. We need to copy this value only, the ID, this value. Just copy this one, and we're gonna back to the essential grid where we left. Link to. This is the option I just told you that we need to change this option. Okay, just in this place, just put that ID of the pop-up that we have just created. This ID we need to put it here. Okay, let's say add element. Okay, this is the element. Save grid. Okay, this is the grid that is already created. That is created actually, and this is the shortcode we wanna set in a page. Okay, so page, the page you wanted to place actually. Let me say metals. Okay. Okay, so this is the okay, so the page you say to add is actually the page link. I forgot the page link. Let's say that should be in the history. Edit page. This is the page. Okay, so what we did actually, just copied the shortcode for that grid, and we'll place this one in the. We'll not use the. I mean, this simple thing. We don't need the grid builder, actually the cornerstone page builder, so we don't need that one. We just will paste the shortcode that we just copied from here. So just we'll paste this one, and then just update the page. Let's see what happened there. Okay. Okay, let's visit that page. Okay, this is the grid. Let's say click on this. Oops, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, it's not happening. Okay, let's say we did something wrong here. Let's say settings. Okay, this is the settings. Okay, we need to place the URL as well to the pop-up ID actually. So we need to put these two values in the URL section and then in the post link to section. And then let's say we just change the image, that's fine. And let's say save changes. Let's save grid. The grid saved successfully. So refresh this page. Oops, it's not working. Probably the I need to edit the skin, I guess. So we are editing the this skin is selected. Okay. Okay, so let's say again to the okay, actually that's the process, but somehow it's not working in your server, so let me fix that one. So we don't need this one. Okay, so okay, we don't need this one. We're gonna remove this one. We don't need this one as well. So remove this one. We don't need title as well. Remove this one. So we're gonna just line break. Okay. Animation, group animation. The group animation none. Link SEO. This should be a link to cover. So none. Link to. Make a link to post. We just save the screen. And say, yeah, that's fine. It's working now. You see, but somehow the image is not appearing here. Okay, so let me see the image actually. Okay, in the source, we're gonna say alternate image. Choose image, you can say that choose image. This one, the default image. You can select this one. Choose image. Just duplicate this one so that we get two grid. Yeah, this image is save grid, and we also don't need this image as well, as we do have the grid. So just save this one, and let's say the example how it looks like. Okay, here you see the clicking image and text appearing. So just for the final thing, that for the second grid item, you need to create another